Thank you for your attention. Afraid to try it, explore it, pocket it, question it, and turn it inside out. Good morning and a warm welcome to all present here. I feel honored to express my hearty greetings and welcome our Honorable Deputy Commissioner, Madam R. Kalavati, Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan, Hyderabad region. Madam, you are requested to accept a small bouquet, token of love from Kendra Vidyalaya Gachibowli, presented by our school children. Madam R. Kalavati is a dynamic personality and a well-known figure in the field of education. Next, I would like to extend my warm welcome to our Assistant Commissioner, Sri G.S.N. Reddy sir, under whose guidance this program we are doing. Sir is a simple person with high thinking who recently visited our Vidyalaya and guiding force for Kendra Vidyalaya Gachibowli. Now I also wish to extend my warm welcome to Sri K. Sai Rajendra Kumar sir, Assistant Commissioner.
Thank you, children.
Omni judges to know what the creation in the young mind is and how the future can be given a shape through the work of the young mind. No doubt it's going to be very difficult for our judges to select the best so that when our children, the KV children who will be participating at the national level, they have to stand first, and that golden selection and the student and the guide will all be
Stay there. Stay there. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes.
Come friend. Come friend. Bas. Hurra.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay?
They don't 10% moisture, not more than that. So all these quality parameters are accumulated. Very well done. You are saying a common value just carrying means the farmer will also sit and do that myself. What do you mean? Farmer will go along with that.
A person who can check the quality of the grain can stay in station, and the farmer can go and give the grain same, and as per the government norms, as per the quality and quantity, that person can bring it back to the farmer. And the grains can be installed in this particular vehicle by that person who takes it from the farmer, and then we can get it towards the storage function.
So the farmer gets paid once he sells the vehicle.
That is one season in the government.
But then that quality parameters are there, then they will just apply to it, you know.
Therefore, we have a person who checks the quality of the
But then what is the farmer? Because again, farmers, they are not able to come up to those quality standards. They are rising out of problem. They were telling me parameters is like 100% is each of us.
He has to, no, because there's sun over there, right? Sunlight comes, so it hits on the light.
So around 120 degrees or 140 degrees, it can melt and it can be grind.
That is, I don't think at that temperature it will melt easily.
It is 1,000 degrees.
My name is Sai. KV. Which class? I am 11th class. Sure? Yeah. Coming. How much you paid for this? How? 5,000. 5,000.
This is my project based on wireless communication technology. So my project is basically split up in 3 parts, which consists of first how data gets communicated, and second part is how data gets stored, and third part how data gets managed. So let's come with first part in this. So how does wireless communication work? So if I press a button over here, how does the light over there glow without even connecting wires? This is known as wireless communication technology. So for example, if I take this India country and thus US, so the data gets first transferred in here. Antenna produces some radio frequency waves which is received by this cell phone. So if you press a button, first data gets transferred to this tower, and from tower it gets transferred to database. So database sends the signals to satellite, and from satellite it sends to the database which is located in another country. So from there it sends to the tower, and from tower it sends to the receiving server. So this is all wireless communication technology. So the second part, this is known as cloud computing. So this is also new emerging technology in India. So in this cloud computing, these are all our PCs, tablets and laptops. So and all are get stored in primary storage like hard disk, pen drives. So in this we store all them in primary storage devices. So this arrows indicate how data gets stored. And this is a server station where all the primary storage is stored in server. this is the server, which has an integrated RAM, high-end hard disk, and full highly graphical. So there are several companies which offer cloud technology like Google Drive, iCloud, and some other examples. And this is the third part, which is known as how data gets managed. In this, there are so many sources of data incoming, like computers or data transformation. In this computer storage network, these cubes indicate the sources of data input. Why is data get managed? So that data is managed in order to help people to understand better about society, and also for the investigation purposes for like CBI, FBI, and CIA to keep an eye on the criminals and all the other stuff. And that's it.
Already estimated that in our coming generations we will have the population double the present population. So land will be reduced, and also the agricultural land will be more utilized, and also production will be less. So new techniques will have to be utilized, and the new techniques are here: vertical farming, polyhouse. This is flood-proof storage granary. These are new machinery, and this is portable biogas plant. In vertical farming, we have seen that agricultural land is just extended onto the land. But through this vertical farming, we can grow on a simple piece of land, we can grow more stories of plants. Therefore, it can also be practiced in urban areas. So, it will also make urban areas pollution-free. And in this, we can have polyhouse farming. In this polyhouse farming, we can change the conditions of the plants required as per the need of the plants. In